This is the Massachusetts Amber Alert System activated for the state of Massachusetts. The Hampshire County Sheriff Department is looking for a child abducted in the town of Greenfield and is believed to be in extreme danger. The child's name is Callie Rosen Hoover. She is a 12-year-old white female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 110 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a yellow boatneck long-sleeved top, blue jeans, and white and gray sneakers. Callie was last seen with an unknown family member at approximately 6 p.m. last night on August 11, 2025. The suspect is believed to drive a white 2011 Dodge Avenger bearing Massachusetts license plate 968WR9. If seen, call 911.